Hi friends, today we are going to do mnemonic to memorize eruption sequence for the primary and permanent teeth. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to start with the permanent eruption sequence. So don't get confused by looking at these two charts. Okay, we are going to do it. First of all, I will try to be as quick as possible. So make a box, make 7 vertical and 4 horizontal lines and name each tooth accordingly. These tiny boxes will indicate the primary teeth exfoliation age or the primary teeth age at which they shed, the primary teeth shed, and the bigger boxes will indicate the permanent tooth eruption sequence. So first of all, we know the mandibular primary age. The central incisors, they erupt at the age of 6. So what comes after 6 is 7. Okay, follow this zigzag pattern like this, and then because this is the first box, mandibular central incisors, we are going to add 1, and rest while following the zigzag pattern we're just going to copy. So after add 1 to 7 we'll make 8, then 8 to 9, 9 to 10, then 10 to 11, then copy, just copy this same 9 here, and then 10, copy 10. What comes after 10 is 11, copy this 11. What comes after 11 is 12. So first molar and second molars, they are easy. So 6 and 12, just memorize it. So now comes to the boxes which are empty. So starting from the lateral incisors, 7 to 8, copy 7 here, and when you copy 7, what comes after 7 is 8. So copy the same box on the central, maxillary central, and then the remaining the remaining 4 boxes for the canines and the premolars, we wrote 10 here, so we are just going to copy 10, and what, like 10 to 12. So copy same this box 10 to 12 on the maxillary second premolar. So mandibular first premolars, similar age of eruption, the same time for the maxillary second premolar, they erupt same. So for the 11 to 12, copied here 11 to 12, just copy same this 11 to 12 to the canine. So that means mandibular second premolars and the maxillary permanent canines, they erupt same time, like 11 to 12, 11 to 12, same time, right? So for the and the exfoliation age of the primary teeth are same, like 6 to 7, 7 to 8 for the central and lateral, and for the canines like 9 to 12. 12 number is little bit larger. Why? Because we can think of like kids, they are small and tiny, so they take time, right? So for like this we can memorize 9 to 12, but we know one thing for sure, like premolars, for premolars. Okay, so just memorize this chart I have, and then you don't have to be very precise or very neat and tidy to do everything to make the chart, because in exam you don't get enough time. So whatever time you have, just do it very quickly to save your time. Quickly make 4 horizontal lines and 7 vertical lines. Just name them like you will remember, like how you will know first maxillary, central, lateral, canine, whatever, and then just quickly start with the mandibular central incisor. Okay, 6, and then follow the zigzag pattern, whatever, so it won't take you long, like it will take hardly 10 seconds I think to do. Okay, just like this. Yeah, so starting from the mandibular central incisors, follow this zigzag pattern, 6 to 7. What comes after? Add 1 to 7 because this is the first box, so 8, 8 to 9. Just copy, 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 and continue. Copy, continue, copy, continue. Like 6 to 7, add 1, 8. First box, right? Then copy 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, like this. For molars, it's easy 6, 6, 12, 12, right? For the tiny boxes, just you have to think, okay, oh, sorry. Yeah. So for 10, 11 to 12, copy here. The remaining boxes 10 to 12. Same number for primary first and 10, 10. But instead of 11, we're going to add one more to 12. 10 to 12, 10 to 12. Same copy, copy. Okay. For first primary mandibular molars, same as second primary maxillary premolars. So first primary premolars and second primary molar, mandibular maxillary, same, like this. Same, second premolars, maxillary, same as mandibular first premolar. And second mandibular premolar, same as the maxillary canines, right? Same age. And for the tiny boxes, I told you the trick, right? For the central and this zigzag pattern, okay? For the tiny boxes, just like central laterals for the mandibular bottom, they are same. 7, 6, 7, 7, 8. But for the canines, you just have to one digit, like from 9 to 12, like this, okay? So it's very easy and it will not take a lot of time. Yeah, one thing you don't have to forget is that the premolars, children don't have premolars. So instead of premolars, you have to, because this is mnemonic, you have to memorize it will be first and second molars, both for maxillary and mandibular, okay? There won't be any premolars. So this is the trick, right? Okay, so now let's do for deciduous primary teeth, okay? Okay, so now don't get confused. This mnemonic is called NAL 9. Make the box, divide them, name them, and for each box you have to write the alphabets and follow the arrows, like N in for central incisors, A for the lateral incisors. For the 6 you have to add 2. Okay, and A like this, and L like this, and 9 like this on the first molar section. A, L, L like this, 9 like this, N, A, L, 9, and L 9, okay? So starting from central incisors, that add 2. When you add 2 to 6, it will make 8. Oh, go up 8, come down, add 2, then go up, add 2, 12. Copy 10, go up, add 3, 13, come down, A. It will make the alphabet A, add 3, 16. And copy 16, up, make L, because you're trying to make L, right? So copy 16, go up, 16, and add 6. which will make 22. So for now, don't forget these alphabets, which are very important. Nel 9, N for 2, A for 3, L for 6. One more mnemonic to memorize 6 is the way in joining handwriting I've made L, it looks like 6. So 6 like L this way. There are many ways to memorize, okay? So 16. So when you add 6 to 16, it will make 22, and then copy. After add 1 to 16, it will make 17, copy. Okay, so after, when you come to the molars, you have to see, because you have to copy 13 to the first molars, okay? And this box you have to make 9. So how do you do that? When you add 13, come down 13, this down arrow, it shows like you have to first come down. To make 9, you have to make 1, right? First 1 and then X, it will make 9. So the first 1, it will tell you from 13 you have to go down first and add 1, which will make 14. And after 14, to make X, you have to first make a diagonal line, like that will indicate you have to add 5 to 14 and go up, which will make 19. And then other diagonal line to make a proper X means add 5 again, and it will make 18. Okay, and then the last second molars, that means you have to, the last box, the number was 7, that means you have to add 7, means add 7 to 18, and it will make 25. And rest, it's easy to memorize, like 33, 23, 20, 25, 33, and 23, 31.